I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on careers here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just waiting to open video, you go down and here can you search job title or location. When you're done, just click here on search. Then it's going to show for you here all or results, and here can you select here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.